welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly legendary, the 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350 motorcycle. Yes, the icon is back and it's more powerful, more refined, and more nostalgic than ever before. For those who remember the original RD350 from the 1980s, this machine was known as the King of Indian Roads. A beast that ruled the streets with unmatched performance and a roaring two-stroke engine note that bikers still dream about. And now in 2026, Yamaha and Rajdoot have brought that legend back to life, reimagined for the modern era. The new 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350 stays true to its roots but adds a futuristic edge that will blow your mind. The design instantly reminds you of the classic silhouette, the muscular fuel tank, the twin-pod headlamp setup, and that unmistakable stance. But now everything is sharper, sleeker, and technologically advanced. You get full LED lighting, a digital analog instrument cluster that blends retro charm with modern convenience, and beautifully crafted metal detailing that screams craftsmanship. Underneath that retro body lies a heart that's all new and absolutely thrilling. Powering the 2026 RD350 is a 300cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver raw torque and thrilling acceleration. Yamaha has made sure to preserve that aggressive character the old RD was famous for. The instant throttle response and spine-tingling exhaust note, but now with modern efficiency and emission compliance. The result? A perfect mix of nostalgia and next-generation performance. The chassis has been completely re-engineered, featuring a lightweight trellis frame for improved handling and balance. Suspension duties are handled by premium USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, giving you precise control even at high speeds. The braking system is top-notch too, with dual-channel ABS, dual front discs, and a rear disc ensuring maximum safety and confidence. The 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350 is not just about speed, it's about emotion, history, and connection. Yamaha has kept that spirit alive by tuning the bike's dynamics to feel pure and raw. Every twist of the throttle gives you that same rush that riders felt decades ago. Only now it's smoother, safer, and smarter. And yes, technology plays a huge part in this revival. You get ride modes, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and traction control, all integrated subtly so the classic experience remains untouched. The bike is offered in several heritage-inspired color options, including the legendary white and red racing scheme that instantly takes you back in time. In short, the 2026 Rajdoot Yamaha RD350 is not just a motorcycle, it's a celebration of an era reborn. It combines the soul of the original with the sophistication of today's engineering. For every biker who dreamed of owning the RD, this is your moment. The king has returned, stronger, smarter, and louder than ever. So what do you think about this modern legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible auto content.